sausage is crispy. That's really good. Sometimes you just gotta smash some things. Is this breakfast recipe guaranteed to make you hop out of bed in the morning? We're eating frog legs today.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make breakfast smash tacos because they're super trendy and people on the internet like trendy things. So we're going to do the trendings. The trendies? Trendies. Trendies. Check out my trendies. Let's smash some tacos. Taco cat spelled backwards is taco cat. Did you know that? Let's get to it. First up. Eggs, the final frontier. Let's whisk. Ow! Eggs. Yeah. Eggs. Woo. Aye. Ow. Ooh. Don't throw these away. They're eggshell-int. Throw them away. I mean, yeah, just throw them away. Whisk. Whisk. Ugh. Looks like we both have whiskers. We both have whiskers, buddy. Okay, you don't care about my jokes. Don't touch the tripod. Iceberg. What are you looking at? Let us face the music together. Hey. Ah! You're the fairest of the salad maidens. Chop up your lettuce. Let us begin. Ooh. How you doing? I'm also going to put in a bit of onion in there. Dice, baby. 1/4 of an onion and 1/3 of iceberg lettuce, about. Put your onions with the salad. A little bit of olive oil, we just want to coat it. Little peepers. Go gadget, go sugaroo. Next time, gadget. Next time. And I'm going to put in a little bit of Louisiana style hot sauce also, and a little bit of the bee's knees. Honey. Then give it a good mixage. It's like a sweet and spicy salad. Like me. I'm sweet and spicy, and I guess I'm not a salad. Let's do a couple chives as well. You're chiving me crazy. Woo! That's how you taste if they're fresh. Chippity chop those chippity chives. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah! Let's get yourself some sausages. Open! Get yourself some breakfast sausage. These are beef and pork, I think. Well, I threw away the package, so too late. We don't know now. Remove the skin. We just want the glorious insides. Why are sausages so good at sports? Because they're big wieners. I'm alone. Take off your jacket, Mr. Sausage.
We're about to have a good time.
It's weird. Next time you're going to throw away the sausage skins, try making a bodysuit with them instead. And then go for a walk in your neighborhood. Watch the questions unfurl. Or don't, I don't care. Appetizing. A little bit of freshly crackles. Light pinch of salt. Very little because they're already seasoned. Mash it up. Meaty. Cool. Let's get smashing. We're having fun today. Quiet. I can buy myself flour. Tortillas. And then we're gonna do a little ball of the mixture here. Little balls o' meat. Now what you would normally do is smash them in the pan, but instead I'm gonna do them pre-smashed with a tortilla press. That's how you do it, I think. They're super thin and they're gonna be going into the grill for cookage that is very short. That was a sentence. Words are hard. Smashing, Basil. Perfection is in the eye of the taco maker. Good thing we're not pressed for time. Reserve this for later. Let's get sexy. Little bit of olive oil, medium-low heat. Put in those eggs. We want these to be very fluffy, so don't let them get too hot. Stick the landing, not your eggs. Keep it moving. Beautiful little scrambled eggs. There we go. Did you hear about the egg that committed a crime? He was placed in custody. But it was a very serious crime, and he ended up getting the death penalty. Death by breakfast tacos. I'm gonna put in a little bit of shredded cheese into my egg mixture. Mix it in there. If you can't find shredded cheese, just put regular cheese through a really tough workout regimen. Then I'm gonna put in some hot peppers and oil. I like that. Little tiny pinch of salt. A little bit of chives in there too. For the smashed tacos, we're gonna do a medium-high heat. Now place the tacos meat side down. Get them a little bit golden brown. I can buy myself tortillas. Yeah, nice little color on there. Woo! Breakfast tacos, assemble. A little bit of that egg mixture goes in first. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of the salad on top. Should probably get skewers, eh? To make them look like they're standing. Movie magic. That's fun. That's gonna be tasty. A little bit of chives on everybody. Breakfast smash tacos. Buckle up. And now I eat you, Mr. Taco. Okay. Oh yeah. The sausage is crispy. That's really good. Sometimes you just gotta smash some things. One more just to make sure. That's good. So much fun. Bye, friends. Little bit of sauce.